Wait, I'm literally hot. Why is this so much effort? Okay. Hi guys, so this weekend me and my family are going to Disney. Shocker. I'm really excited that we're going with some family friends and I'm going to pack and you guys are gonna come along for the ride. I'm gonna show you like what I'm bringing, how I pack it, and then also I'll do some vlog footage and stuff of that of me wearing the outfits too so you can see them. Okay, so we're going for the weekend, so I don't need that many. So I brought this for the first day. This is super cute. These are Levi's shorts, and then I think this is, I literally think I got this belt from Target. I love this belt. It goes with everything. Then I have this shirt. This is from Brandy Melville. These sunglasses are from that little stand I went to in Florida, Fossil, and then some Kendra Scott necklaces. And I'm going to be taking my little Tory Burch backpack. And then swimsuit, workout clothes, some workout shoes. I didn't want to put them on my bed, so I put them on this little shirt. Then I have this shirt. So this is Banjul, but I don't remember where I got it. I got it in Panama. So I'm going to bring this. It's super cute. It's like a little cropped shirt. It's so extra. I love it. So I'm going to bring this for Saturday night because we always go out to a really nice place for dinner. So then I'm going to wear these gray pants. And then these are from Miss Smooze. That was a place in Chicago. I don't know where else they have that, but I love their shoes. We have a bunch of them, and it like matches perfectly with the shirt. Then I'm wearing this tonight, because tonight we're probably going to Downtown Disney, or they call it Disney Springs now, whatever. And that's just like for shopping and stuff, because we're going to get there late, so I'm just going to wear these boyfriend jeans from Hollister, my Supergas, just this, my Louis Vuitton, and then this is from Zara, I think. This is just so cute. Yeah, Zara. Love that. And then Sunday, I'm going to be wearing these pants. These are from Brandy Melville. Absolutely love. This is again from Tory Burch. This is from Nordstrom. The brand is Aster. This is the one that I showed you guys in my haul. Absolutely obsessed. And then also some Alex Nanny bracelets. And then whatever other jewelry I feel like putting in there. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do is pack the heaviest things and things that I know I'm not going to wear first. So that would include, I have my little green purple Nikes. Those are going on the bottom. Also my workout clothes. And I also roll everything up like this so that it fits a lot better. So it doesn't take up as much space. My swimsuit. My workout shorts. And then I'm going to put the socks and the tennis shoes, so those take up even less space. I'm not taking this. Sunday outfit. Oh yeah. Clearly this is a very good system. These are really nice. A lot of these items are like really thin material, which is so nice because then you can pack way more. I think that's why I tend to overpack. The shirts, I also like to put items, pack them together. Like I'll put the shirt on top of the pants, that way everything is easier to find, especially because I want to spend the least amount of time like getting ready and finding things because I want to be like out on the vacation, obviously. Okay, I think PJs. I packed my Saturday night outfit. So the shoes again on the bottom. I hate these little things. These are actually the bane of my existence, but for like some tops they're actually necessary. And they just flail everywhere. And they ruin pictures. They ruin lives. obviously I'm gonna keep sandwiching things. Like I still have room. So those were the what am I saying? Those were the shoes, the swimsuit, the workout clothes, the Sunday outfit, and Saturday. Oh, that was back rack. And as you can see, I still literally have half the bag. And that's a lot of freaking stuff. I love to overpack. Also, please don't mind that my face is literally 17 times lighter than the rest of my body. It's because I fake tan today and I can't put the fake tan on my face because we learned how that worked out last time. So, yeah. Okay, and then this is tomorrow's outfit. This is like one of my new favorite tops. Brandy Melville, you kill the game. Okay, so next I'm gonna pack jewelry, which is, I have this little thing, I forget where I got this, like the Container Store or something a few years ago, and it's amazing. It has like pockets for everything. I usually put my earrings in the top too, then I'll put like necklaces, watches, everything else in the middle. So my Alex and Annie are gonna go in one pocket on the side. Then I'm going to put my watch in another one. Okay, so as you can see, that's all done. And then I'm gonna also pack some studs as well. I forgot to pack bras. A hair, a couple pairs, these ones. Tory Burch. I'm gonna pack my Tiffany studs. Oops. I'm gonna pack these ones. These are from an amazing Instagram company. It's called Brooklyn Grace. She makes amazing stuff. I want to buy some more stuff from her. I love her stuff. And then also I have my hoops from Express. Guys, aren't these so like the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? They're little Disney ones. Okay. Those, one of the Indian tribes, I think these are called, oh my god, don't hate me. I think they're called molas. And what they do is like they hand stitch all of this in little patterns and stuff. So the indigenous tribes would do this and then they would sell them. It's really, really cool. I got like me and my friends some of these when I first came back from Panama. I love them. So this is what I'm gonna keep because my camera and like my battery, everything goes in there. Oh, now I have to pack makeup and toiletries. What did I put my sunglasses? I don't know. Okay, so I don't want this part to be a million years long, so I'm gonna do this like rapid fire. So I'm putting it in my Sephora to go bag. It's disgusting. I tried to clean it. Don't judge me. So I need, okay, so primer, foundations, concealers, under eye powder, all over powder, bronzer, blush, highlight, contour, this one, oh, and then I'm bringing this also for highlight, and eyeliner, mascara. I'm really into the white eyeliner right now. I'm bringing that. Then I have some eyeshadow brushes. I'm bringing my little Milani Everyday Eye, or Earthy Elements palette. And a booty blender. Everything that I'm packing, and then you guys will see all the outfits on when I'm at Disney. So, see you later.
Actually, no, this is kind of exactly what I wanted.